Okay, so after having my morning water, I start my day with some tea, coffee. In tea, I'm using green tea with some honey. Honey makes it a little easier for people who doesn't like the taste of green tea. Recently, I've developed taste for black coffee as it wakes me up completely in all those sleepy mornings. For days when I want to start with something fresh and chill, I make myself this awesome green smoothie which is packed with loads of iron and calcium. All we need is some apple, spinach and coconut water as base, putting all of them together to grind. I purposely like its thicker consistency with some apple pieces, and I'm adding roasted flax seed to make it a little crunchier. For the mains, I'm making masala oats. Here we need some boiling water in a pan and adding some chopped onion, tomatoes, green chili and green peas into it. Little salt up to taste and some turmeric powder. Adding half a bowl of oats into it. We'll keep it to cook for 5-7 minutes under covered lid. I'm garnishing it up with some chopped coriander leaves and it's ready to eat. Whoa! There are times when I'm literally rushing for work. At that time, this peanut butter banana sandwich is my savior. It takes really less time to make and it's very simple. All we need is some brown bread and peanut butter with some banana. I'm putting some peanut butter on top of the brown bread and a layer of banana pieces. We'll add some chia seed as well for the toppings. And it's ready. See how easy, yummy. To add variety to egg, I'm making an egg salad. We would need some diced cucumber, tomatoes, and of course boiled eggs. I've made a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice here. We'll mix all of them together in a bowl. Add some salt up to taste and some pepper. And garnishing with coriander leaves, and it's ready. Last I'm making this porridge. I'll add some ghee and porridge to the pan and we'll roast the porridge for a while. It will take 5-10 minutes. Then I'll add some warm water and milk to it. Water is completely optional here, you can add just milk. I won't add any sugar to it and we'll keep it to cook for 15-20 minutes. Once done, I'll serve it in a bowl with some cashew and almonds on the top and we'll drizzle some honey to it. So guys, this is my everyday breakfast routine. Do give it a try to all the recipes and also let me know how do you manage your breakfast, especially when you're running out of time. And by the way, have you subscribed to my channel? Not yet? Then please do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos and give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye!